go. First order of the day. This is McDonald's, 9.25 going 4 miles. Yeah, I'm wearing the same shorts as yesterday. I haven't done my laundry, leave me alone.
It's 2 bags, Aileen? 2 bags.
Thank you. You too. Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's gonna be $9 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, well, this is the best order that I've received in like 30 minutes, so I'm just taking it. This is a Starbucks, $8 going 5.5 miles.
He's got it on camera too. You saw that? Okay.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
You too. I'm not sure why, but whenever people point out the camera, it like breaks my immersion, if that makes any sense. Like I forget that I'm recording. I don't know, it's just weird. Even though I'm being the weird one by recording everyone. Also, I just got my next order right after this. It's gonna be for Seize the Bagel. $8 and some change going about 3.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Okay, next order up, we've got Gravity Coffee, $7.75 going 1.5 miles.
Thank you, thank you. You have a good day, man.
You too. This next order came in right away. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $12.75 going 5 miles, 2 items. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
Why you were rolling with the camera?
Oh, I had some guy. This is a stack going to the same person. We've got 7-Eleven and muchas gracias. $11.50 going 5 miles.
Good morning.
Morning.
Oh crap, we have an order.
You didn't tell me.
I didn't know. Last time I looked at the machine, it didn't have an order.
So do I remove them from the order? Even though we don't like to do that? Here you go. I'm sorry about that wait.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Oh my God, dude. Come on. All right, the second half of this order better be ready for me because I spent so much time waiting at 7-Eleven. Thank you.
Do you post those videos just like you doing DoorDash stuff? I'm just not looking my best right now.
Gotcha,
I'm
gotcha.
sick.
Oh, I haven't picked up from here in a long time. I just realized. This is for Victorico's, $9 going 4 miles. Thank you. Oh my God, that smells so good. I need to stop breathing because I'm just gonna get hungrier and hungrier. Finally got an order. This is for IHOP, $8 going 2 miles. I'm almost certain this is not gonna be ready for me. Oh, we've got a lot of people standing outside. This is most definitely not gonna be ready for me.
This looks like crap. We just had
It's not ready yet, but it should be soon.
Okay. Do you have a rough timeline?
I don't know if I'll give you a rough guess, maybe 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you. As I was walking out, I got this order for shop and deliver for alcohol. $13 going 4 miles, 2 items. think they have this. Okay, what is going on?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I'm so blind.
Beaver tree
I'm so
and
sorry.
slab.
Okay, and then one more thing.
Oh, it's because it is vape. I'm sorry.
Is it?
It's because it's non-alcoholic.
Oh, free spirits. Oh my god, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Well, that took forever. Wasted everybody's time, and I feel like an idiot. What an order. Need a gate code. Need a gate code. Hi, I need a gate code to get in.
I don't know if I need to show this still because there's technically no alcohol.
Yeah, your order was a little weird, I'll be honest.
Yeah, no, I know. It's,
I got super confused when they told me what aisles to go to. Just scribble on that line for me. Didn't end up needing that gate code because there was a very enthusiastic Mustang driver right behind me. I just followed him in. All right, next order up. Hopefully this one is not a hassle like the past few have been. El Jefe, birria, and tacos, $10 going 3 miles. Thank you. All right, I think we just call it. Super dead all of a sudden, so I might as well go get my own lunch. Current time is 12:05. Current total is 101, and I have that last Uber tip yet to come in, so maybe around 106. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.